We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not ringing for incoming calls. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really frustrating because you're going to end up missing important calls when they don't go and ring. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try, and hopefully by the end, your iPhone will then go and be ringing for incoming calls. Without any other further ado, let's get started. Now, you may go and find that the call pops up on the phone screen, but it doesn't ring, so you go and miss it, or it doesn't even pop up on the screen and doesn't ring as well. It doesn't matter, we've got fixes of both. To get started, come onto the side of the phone. Just above the volume rockers, you've got this button. On older iPhones, there's a switch. What you want to do is go and try pushing the switch up or down on an older iPhone, or just go and push it. And you want to go and make sure it says ring. This means it will now go and ring. Next, you want to open the control center. As well as that button, you've also got this button, which is the same. It activates silent mode. Make sure that's turned off. It should already be after that switch. And make sure you haven't got a focus mode turned on. So I can tap there, and now it's turned off Do Not Disturb. With Do Not Disturb turned on, nothing will come through. Hope for the help of this video, the issue is resolved. Leave a like if you found this useful.